I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to use frames in Figma. So let's dive in. Frames are the foundation of your design and the container that holds your work. To create a frame, you can select the box on the top left-hand side of the screen and then just draw a frame. As you'll see, the frame appears on the left-hand side of the screen. You can also press F on your keyboard to create a frame, or you can also, when you have frames selected, you can double click and then a 100 by 100 pixel box will appear. On the left-hand side of the screen, as I said, you'll see the frames, and it's best practice to just go ahead and rename those frames. So I'll do main frame, second frame, and then I'm just going to go ahead and delete this third one right here. So here we have two frames. So here is the top level frame and the primary one we're going to use. You can actually go down here on the right-hand side of the screen where it says frame and click the drop-down arrow, and then you can actually select a preset size for a typical device that you might use. So let's just go ahead and do the iPhone SE, and we'll do that for the main frame here. So select that, and as you'll see, it resizes the width and the height of the frame that you're working on. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you can see that. So there you have the frame. And then here we have the second frame, and we can actually move this frame inside the other frame if we want to create, like, let's say a specific component. And it's called the nested frame. And you can also resize that, and you see that it's the width and the height is being adjusted here on the right-hand side of the screen. So with that, a couple other things to keep in mind. So here you see the title of the main frame, and then the second frame is here nested underneath the main frame. You can select, in order to select the full main frame, you need to go up and select the title. And you can also adjust the corners here on the right-hand side. You can do the corner radius, so I'll just set that to 30. And as you will see, it went ahead and rounded the corners for me. That concludes our tutorial on frames. Thanks for watching.